Right now at 6:20, we're looking live from our camera down on the Bayfront end. This looks east from Naples, and we're waiting on that sunrise this morning, which happens shortly after 7 o'clock. Once that sun comes up, we're off to the races with our temperatures going right back up in the mid-80s later on this afternoon. We do have a little bit of patchy fog around town. Otherwise, things are pretty quiet. Right now, the radar is sweeping around, not showing a drop of rain from Orlando southbound. Usually with a south to southwesterly flow, we get a few showers out over the Gulf, but we are not seeing a drop. So let's talk about the temperatures, which right now are in the mid to upper 60s. We've got 70 in the Cape, 69 in Marco Island. Those readings are way above our average of 55. So yet another warm morning here as we work our way through the middle parts of the week. And compared to yesterday, we're already 4 degrees warmer from LaBelle all the way up through Punta Gorda and Port Charlotte. Our winds are pretty calm this morning, so that will help aid the development of some patchy fog. Dew point values still feel a little late spring, early summer-like as they are in the mid to upper 60s. Now, as we look at the forecast for the wind today, it'll be south to southwest later on this afternoon, and they'll still be light. You're looking at 5 to 10 miles per hour. So like the last couple of days, right back up in the mid-80s. We've got a warm day on the way. Your sunset time coming up there at 6:10. And if you look at the almanac, our record low on this date is 33, so back in 1909, and the record high is 86. So we'll be within a degree or two of that later on today. You can clearly see where the cold front is located here this morning, and that cold air on the backside of this front is still allowing for a lot of ice to develop, especially down in Texas. We'll start here around the low, which is bringing some cold rain from Norfolk all the way to Raleigh. And as we stretch this line of ice down towards Dallas and Houston, you can see it really coming down here between San Angelo and the northern parts of the state there on the Oklahoma border. So a travel nightmare right now for parts of the deep south. As far as us, we're on the south side of the front. We're going to continue to see our winds today south to southwest, very quiet. And then tomorrow, we start to see a cold front off to the north. That will slide down and eventually bring us a broken line of showers here late on Friday. You're looking at roughly sunset and later. And then once that front moves through, we are going to be breezy as we wait for another chance of rain on Sunday. The jet stream keeps that cold air off to the north as the ridge stays strong. We get a little bump. That's what's going to bring that front through Friday into Saturday. And then we'll see some cold air off to the north. But that ridge works right back in here Monday and Tuesday of next week, bringing us yet another warm up. Inland Marine forecast here today sees foot or less and the water smooth with the water temperature at 69. So this afternoon, we're up to 85, one shy of a record. Then overnight tonight, we're going to dip right back in the mid to upper 60s. That 7-day forecast shows that scattered shower chance there Friday, and same thing on Sunday where we could hear a rumble of thunder. Then notice our temperatures climb right back up. We'll be in the mid 80s once again by next Tuesday.